Maxine at Fabricland. I'm inspiring you today with corduroy. So we've got a good range of corduroy. If I show you all the colours that we've got in our range, there's something there for everybody. Okay, we do an 11 wale corduroy, which is this finer one. Okay, like the traditional needle cord. And then we do a chunkier cord, which we call butter soft. And this is 8 wale. Okay, we've got lots of colours, as you can see. You could also use this for cushions if you fancied, because it's quite hard wearing. I've pulled out a couple of skirt patterns. This skirt pattern we're using in our corduroy kit, so you can just do a one click, get everything you need to make the skirt, the zip, the thread, and you're well away. And then I've also picked out this pattern, which I think would look gorgeous made in corduroy, especially with this little accent frill down the front. So hopefully I've inspired you to get some sewing done, ready for winter. This would look gorgeous with tights and boots, lots of colours. So goodbye from me. Thank you.